There are lots of misconceptions about reverse mortgages, particularly among senior homeowners. A reverse mortgage can help senior homeowners who are equity rich but need the liquidity of additional cash flow to help fund their retirement. A reverse mortgage operates much like any other loan secured by a home, except that it transfers responsibility for repayment from the borrower to the home at sale or refinancing. It allows a senior homeowner to eliminate their mandatory monthly principal and interest mortgage payments while unlocking access to the equity in their home, free of income taxes. By using a reverse mortgage, a senior homeowner can remain in their home, retaining their title as owner, and still maintain their independence. This additional non-taxable cash flow can also help senior homeowners decrease the odds of outliving their money in retirement and reduce the anxiety about their financial future. To learn how a reverse mortgage might be structured to suit your needs, call a C2 certified reverse mortgage specialist today.